Once upon a time, only a few people had access to awesome smartphones. Pretty soon, people began to ask, why?
Why does my phone fall apart after 1 year?
Why must we worry about our data being safe?
Why does my phone have a great camera, but not enough storage to keep the photos?
Until one day, Galaxy A said to everyone,
awesome is for everyone.
And everyone said, prove it! So, Galaxy A gave everyone a phone with no compromises. One with a lot of features, instead of just some. And everyone was so happy that they began to sing.
Just like this. Awesome is for everyone. Everyone. Awesome is for everyone. Awesome is for everyone. Everyone. Access to awesome technology is what makes the world sing. That's why
Awesome.
is for everyone. Everyone. Awesome is for everyone. Everyone. Awesome is for everyone. Everyone. Awesome is for everyone. Awesome. 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 Awesome.
Awesome is for everyone.